Okay, I'm here to play. What is? Why? What? Oh my god. Okay. What is this start of the video? Look, I've been having the hiccups for the whole freaking day. I'm tired of it. But I wanted to make this video to show. My god, it's gonna be impossible to watch this thing. I wanted to make this video to show all the new stuff that everybody's been working. How did I survive that? I have a shield, so it's fine. Oh, what is? Okay, okay. I love this level design, by the way. Juanpa, amazing. Like every level has this new crazy hidden path inside of the hidden path inside of the hidden path. Like, actually, I don't know if this is a bug or oh, it's another another hidden path actually. What? And if you're here, you don't know, but actually these are breakable blocks. This is genius. Juanpa is really going crazy with the level design. So this flower takes you to the okay. This oh my god, I cannot talk. Like every sentence I start gets interrupted by that. Okay, this flower takes you to the next world. The problem is the next world doesn't exist. So actually I want to see what happens if I bring Quark there and convert. Okay. Okay. Juanpa! Okay, okay, does it work? Yes! What is happening? What is this? Come on, 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 come on. What is this effect? I'm sure this is not intentional. I'm like, that is not intentional, but it's work in progress. Those flowers are gonna transform Quark into Robert, and Robert takes you to the next dimension, you know. But it's not done yet, so right now we cannot test that. Oh my god, I love this new duckling so much. I don't want to take it because since we are reworking it, in my brain, this is the problem of playtesting your own game. I know the changes we're gonna make to this upgrade, so I feel like I don't want to take it because I don't learn anything from it because it's gonna change, you know? So I'm inclined to pick something else that I already know, okay, this is how the game is gonna be played. But actually, if I open my mind and see how this works, it might make me think of better ideas for the game, even if I kind of know that we are changing it. I'm loving these sound effects, by the way. Okay, let's try to go to the disco dimension. I think that's like the newest thing that is playable. Okay, so we grab one chrono shard. Okay, this is the same level I've been before. It's easy. Oh my. Okay. Convert disco Quark. Now we just beat the level normally. Oh my god, that was close actually. Okay. I want a secret path there, by the way. This feels like the type of place nobody would check. Okay, recharge chrono energy, bigger bullets. Disco dimension. Adam, drop the beat. Can I make this louder? Alright. Easy peasy disco level. Level 3. We got some ghost ducks here. Oh! I'm already dead. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, I got it. This time I got it. Shield. Oh, perfect shot for the ghost dog. Okay. I swear the soundtrack for this world is too good. Okay, break it. One more. Broken. Oh shh. Honestly, I don't know how people who did not literally program this game are gonna play this game. Sometimes I feel like it's too hard. Like I have to play to perfection to be able to. Okay, this is not playing to perfection. To be able to beat the levels. What is this? Oh! Juanpa, Juanpa, what is that? Oh my god. Alright. Now we know. You gotta be fast there. Come on. Dun. Okay, that's one. One more wall to break. Actually? Da-da-da-da. Come on, disco ball! Do what I want! Yes. There it goes, one. One more hit. Two. I'm gonna go get the secret thing. I don't care. Fast. Shit. Okay. We're chilling. I only have one life left, but we're chilling. Boop. Okay, recharge shield. Disco egg. Oh, this is good actually. But come on, we want the... I'm actually gonna try to beat the whole game in this one sitting, you know? If I can do it first try, then I think the difficulty is right. That means normal people will be able to do it after 100 attempts, maybe. Okay, let's go to the secret place, of course. Oh, this one is crazy. What is all this? What is up there? Like, I'm so used to making the level design myself for like the whole existence of this game. So entering a level and seeing things that I didn't put there, it feels amazing. It's like, what the hell? I wanna go there. Actually, let's see how we go there. Probably here. Oh, but it's protected by a wall. So actually, I cannot go there unless I have something that lets me jump higher. And I don't have any upgrade that does that. There's, I think, like 4 different ways an upgrade could help you get there. But I don't have any of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot faster, more energy. Look at the dogs, one by one into the machine. What the f— why did they not— I programmed that, I did it wrong, shit, I need to fix that. They're supposed to go after you like... Okay, what do we have here? Also secret pathways. Oish. How am I not tired of this soundtrack after 2 years of hearing it every day? Okay, we have 3 pieces of the Rift Slasher. I'm gonna pretend everybody knows what that is. Now we just need to kill the boss. And then... oh, Giga Lasers. And recharge Chrono Energy. Alright. Oh, you saw the dogs, they... What? Freaking Hiccups. They really went in like... Okay. This level is the hardest level in the game, I'm pretty sure. As everybody tells me that they fucking hate it. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. This is simply masterful gameplay. Like you don't see this type of gameplay anywhere else. You know, like that. Oh, what do we have down there? Oh, by the way, notice the new feature to look down. Okay, what do we have? Oh, we have. Wait, I have 1 life left. I shouldn't be. No! I shouldn't be messing around in the hardest level with 1 life left. I had already all the pieces of the Chrono Slasher. How is it called? Rift. The Hiccups. I had all the pieces to the Rift Slasher, and now I gotta begin again. This is what the QA team was telling me. Game too hard. Like, I'm gonna prove them wrong. Game easy. This game is easy as hell. Look. You can even do trick shots. Wait. Cut that part. You can even do trick shots to kill the dog. Okay. Gonna pretend that didn't happen. Like, I tried everything there is to get rid of the hiccups. I pulled my tongue. I drank water upside down. I asked my girlfriend to scare me. She didn't succeed at that. I held my breath. I held my breath for like 15 seconds. And it doesn't go away. Like, I don't understand. I didn't eat anything spicy or like. Do I even wanna go there? Are we gonna do early disco dimension again? Okay, come on, let's do it. Let's try it. I should be playing just trying to survive. Like I'm doing. Oh look, I dropped my heart. I wanna change that mechanic so that the longer you survive in a level, the more likely it is that you drop a heart when you die. That way, if you just keep dying in a stupid way, you don't survive. Like you run out of lives. But if you keep kind of like surviving, fighting your way through the level, even if you are not winning, it's like gonna give you another heart, another attempt, you know. That way you really have to try to just survive, you know. Like, doesn't matter if you make progress slowly, as long as you're fighting your way and surviving. What am I doing? Okay. Oh my god. This part is too hard. I don't know who designed this thing, but I did actually, but it's kind of stupid. Like this what am I playing? Minecraft? What is this? It takes also so long. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm actually dead. Oh, how am I not dead? How I grabbed the shield last second. Okay, I'm still alive. Why did I go back in? Fucking hiccups. I'm so tired. Okay. Somehow I survived that. Oh my god, these ghost dogs are so annoying. I actually have the idea for that type of enemy written in my wall in the bathroom. One day I thought of it and I drew the idea, so it's literally just there in my bathroom. Okay, I got it. Disco Quark level 3. Let's go. Early disco YouTube tutorial. Early disco dimension confirmed. Is it possible? It is possible. Shoot faster. Let's go. Adam, drop the beat. Wait. Perfect for this level. This is my favorite level, I think. Okay, note that I only have 2 lives, so I cannot mess around too much. It's over. It's actually... Okay. No. We got this. I need to get a shield somehow. Oh my god, please break fast. Come on. Yes. The red ones are really like the nightmare here. Who's calling me? No! I got distracted. Why am I... Who's calling me? No. Okay. This video is to prove QA that the game is easy. It's easy, like I am directing this game. I know how it is. It's easy. I promise. It's the hiccups. I'm just a bit distracted. I promise it's easy as hell. Look, they die. You get. I'm gonna grab the hardest upgrade in the game. You know, like multi-bullets. No problem. They are not gonna kill me. Okay, give me a... I'm not gonna go explore whatever is down there, honestly. Like, I need to humble up that I cannot go to those places yet. But in terms of the disco dimension, why do I absolutely have to go? I don't know, but I'm gonna. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, see? Easy. 3 lives, no problem. Grab the shield. I already had. Boom. Wait for 2 dogs. Kill them in 1 shot with the double bullets. Boom. Dies. Get 3 bullets because I don't care. Get 4 bullets because I don't care. I'm so dead. I'm actually dead. 4 bullets. Level 3. I'm actually... Wait. Oh no, and it's this level. This level I don't like. I need to have a serious conversation with Juanpa about this level. But right now, I just need to shoot 1 bullet in that little angle. The problem is I shoot 4 bullets. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. No. Kill it. Okay, if I shoot... Look at the 3 dogs following me. They are so cute. Don't get distracted, Diego. Don't get distracted. QA is gonna see that this game is easy as... like... piss easy. No. Okay, where do I even have to go? Like... Juanpa, what do I do? Do I have to go up? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Die? What? Who? I see. Okay. I need to just play confidently, you know? I have... Okay. I'm so tired of the hiccups, seriously. Oh my god. I'm dead. That bullet. I'm seeing it. Uh-oh. How did that not kill me? Oh, there's a shield. I'm gonna camp the hell out of this shield. Die. Fly. Freaking hiccups. I'm so tired. Okay, stop complaining. This is your job. Like, this is literally why did a demon spawn. Why am I in the lava? No, please. Die. Ghost dog. Fuck. Okay, I guess I'm not sending this video to QA. Okay. One life left. 1 life left, no problem. I'm dead. Don't say it. If you don't say it, Nah. You know what? I'm trying to show off. I'm being too arrogant. I'm like trying to do the hardest things, like grab the upgrades that obviously are gonna kill me. That's why I'm losing. Like I'm being too cocky. I just need to humble up, play the game as it's supposed to be played. So from now on, we play like a normal player, okay? This is how normal players play. Okay, no, seriously. But that's actually how they play. Like when we see gameplay, it's like what? Disco? Am I going? Oh my god, I'm actually doing it again. I could just take Quark there, play the game normally, but no, I absolutely have to go to the riskiest freaking place. I'm actually doing pretty good. How? I told you it's easy. Pam 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 pam. What is that? There is another hidden path. Grab the Chrono Shard, Disco Quark in, put the glasses on. Wait, let me just kill this guy real quick. Oh crap, a demon spawn. Alright, more Chrono Energy. Get one reroll. Boom. Why do you not enter the portal, Doc? Okay. Okay, a different level. Nice. At least we're seeing the new levels, you know? Okay. Why do I jump so high, by the way? I'm dead. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Where is the disco ball? Where is it? Where is it? I'm so tired of having the hiccups. It's really like my throat hurts from that. What even causes it? Oh shit. Come on, break the thing. I think there is a bug related to this little glass there. I saw it. Come on, one more. Break. Grab the dog. Enter. Is it me or the music got muffled out? Adam and me are still working out like the behavior of the music. What do I want? What do I want? This. Oh, extra jump. Extra jump and Disco Shard. Let's go. We did it. We beat a disco. I think we did that before actually. Okay, now let's not waste time and get to the boss. Why am I shooting so much? Bam, bam. Bam. Do we go to secret place? Let's go secret place. No, I'm actually gonna die. You know what? Do I go? Do I not go? Oi! I don't go. It's fine. You don't have to absolutely risk every single level, you know? It's not necessary. Okay, one more extra jump. Alright, we have to take that off because it's not disco level. Okay, phase 2, harder levels. I literally don't care because I have 4 jumps. Pam, 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 pam. Grab the Chrono Shard. Die to this dog. Don't die to that dog. Okay. Why did I grab the faster bullets? Where did I come from? I think this is the final attempt I can do today because I need to upload this build so that QA can test it. But before that, with 1 life left, I'm going to prove, as I said, how piss easy this game actually is. So, kill the... One, two, three, four, 5.